Welcome to this complete Albania travel guide. Albania, a hidden gem in the Balkans, offers a unique mix of history, culture, and beautiful landscapes. Situated between Greece to the south and Montenegro to the north, this country perfectly blends Mediterranean charm with Eastern European character. Albania is rich in culture, influenced by Roman, Ottoman, and Byzantine eras, which have shaped its architecture, food, and traditions. But Albania's appeal goes beyond its culture. The country also features a variety of landscapes, from the sunny beaches of the Albanian Riviera to the high peaks of the Albanian Alps. It's also one of the least explored countries in Europe, adding a touch of mystery. So bring your curiosity and adventurous spirit as we embark on this journey through this fascinating country. Berat, Old Town. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, Berat is our first stop. Imagine a town that's been around since the 3rd century with its history etched into every stone and street. That's Berat for you. The old town's charm lies in its splendidly preserved Ottoman architecture, a testament to a bygone era. The houses, with their white walls and multiple windows, appear to be stacked one upon another, creating a fascinating view that has earned Berat the moniker, the town of 1,000 windows. As you wander through the narrow cobbled streets, you'll feel as if you've stepped back in time. The town's history whispers tales of centuries past, while the friendly locals add a warm, welcoming touch to your exploration. Every corner turned and every step taken is an encounter with a new piece of history. Berat, the town of 1,000 windows, will leave you with 1,000 memories. Gjirokastër, Old Town. Next, we head to Gjirokastër, Old Town, another UNESCO World Heritage Site. This charming town, nestled in the Drino Valley, is often referred to as the City of Stone, and for good reason. Each house in Gjirokastër is a testament to the town's rich history, with stone roofs and white walls that speak volumes of the architectural prowess of the bygone era. The town's fortress, perched atop a hill, stands as an imposing sentinel offering panoramic views of the town beneath. This fortress is not just a sight to behold, but also a treasure trove of history, housing an arms museum and offering insights into the country's past. And if you thought Gjirokastër was all stone and history, wait till you discover the unique tradition of carpet weaving. The local artisans breathe life into colourful threads, creating intricate patterns that are as mesmerising as they are beautiful. Gjirokastër, Albania's stone city, offers a journey back in time. Ksamil. Leaving the stone cities behind, we head to the pristine beaches of Ksamil. Imagine a place where the sun kisses the earth and the azure waves of the Ionian Sea gently lap against the fine white sands. That's Ksamil for you, a tranquil haven tucked away in the heart of Albania. Here, the rhythm of life sways to the gentle breezes, and the melody of the rolling waves whispers stories of timeless serenity. Picture yourself lounging on the beach, the sun warming your skin as you sink your toes into the sand. The world seems to slow down, and all that matters is the soothing sound of the sea, the rustle of the palm leaves, and the song of the distant seagulls. As you gaze out into the horizon, where the sky meets the sea, you can't help but feel a sense of peace washing over you. This is the magic of Ksamil. A day in Ksamil is a day in paradise. Butrint National Park. From the beaches, we head to Butrint National Park, a haven for history buffs and nature lovers alike. Imagine a place where ancient ruins echo tales of the past, nestled amidst a vibrant, thriving ecosystem. That's Butrint for you. The park is a treasure trove of historical landmarks, from a Roman theatre to a Byzantine basilica. Each stone, each monument whispers a story, offering a glimpse into the rich tapestry of Albania's past. And it's not just the ruins that captivate. Butrint's wildlife is equally enchanting. The park is home to a diverse range of species from playful otters to majestic eagles. Butrint's unique ecosystem is the cherry on top. The combination of freshwater lakes, wetlands, open water and islands creates a symphony of natural beauty that's hard to resist. So whether you're an avid historian, a wildlife enthusiast, or just a lover of nature's grandeur, Butrint offers a slice of paradise for everyone. Butrint National Park, where history and nature come together. Tirana next, we explore the vibrant city of Tirana, Albania's capital. A city buzzing with life and colour, Tirana is a delightful mishmash of old and new. Its architecture is a testament to this, with Ottoman, Italian and Soviet influences all blending into a unique cityscape. In every corner, you'll find remnants of the city's past, from the Ethembe Mosque to the Pyramid of Tirana. But it's not just about the past. The city is also a thriving hub for the arts, with galleries, theatres, and exhibitions that constantly rotate to showcase local and international talent. And let's not forget about the food. Tirana's culinary scene is a gastronomic adventure waiting to happen. From traditional Albanian dishes like tavkosi to international cuisines, there's something to tickle every palate. The city's nightlife is equally eclectic, with a range of bars, clubs and live music venues that cater to all tastes. Tirana, a city that never sleeps, will keep you entertained. Apollonia. From the bustling city we head to Apollonia, a testament to Albania's ancient past. Once a thriving metropolis in the Hellenistic era, today Apollonia stands as a captivating archaeological site, whispering tales from a bygone era. As we tread through the ancient ruins, imagine the city in its prime, teeming with life, a hub of commerce and culture. The grand amphitheatre, once echoing with applause and drama, now stands silent, but no less majestic. The city's intricate architecture, from the boulevards to the Stoa, speaks volumes of the craftsmanship of the ancient Illyrians. Venture into the on-site museum, where artifacts and sculptures narrate a fascinating history of Apollonia, from its establishment in the 6th century BC to its decline during the Roman Empire. Apollonia is not just about the ruins, it's about the stories they hold, the lives lived, and the civilizations that rose and fell. Apollonia, a city frozen in time. Albanian Riviera. Leaving the ancient ruins behind, we travel to the breathtaking Albanian Riviera. Imagine a coastline where the mountains meet the sea, where the air is perfumed with the scent of citrus groves and olive trees. This is the stunning Albanian Riviera. It's a place where time seems to slow down, allowing you to soak in the charm of quaint terracotta-roofed villages that dot the landscape. Here you can wander through narrow cobblestone streets, sample local delicacies, and engage with the warm and welcoming locales. And let's not forget the Riviera's crowning glory, its crystal-clear waters. The beaches here are a dream come true for water lovers. Whether you fancy a swim in the warm azure waters, snorkeling among vibrant marine life, or just lounging on the sun-kissed sands, there's something for everyone. The Albanian Riviera, your perfect seaside getaway. Rozafa Castle. Next, we climb the Rozafa Castle in Shkodër, a symbol of Albania's resilience. Perched majestically on a rocky hill where the Buna and Drin rivers meet, the castle's strategic location has been a focal point of numerous power struggles throughout history. But Rozafa is not just a fortress, it's a storyteller. It whispers the tale of a woman walled into the castle to ensure its endurance. A legend, yes, but one that adds a touch of mystique to these ancient stones. And then, there are the views. From the castle's lofty heights, you can feast your eyes on a panorama that stretches across the verdant landscape, encompassing the shimmering rivers, the bustling city of Shkodër, and the distant majestic peaks. It's a site that has captivated visitors for centuries and continues to do so today. The Lagara Pass, a mountain pass like no other. Picture this, a serpentine road winding its way through the majestic Albanian Alps, each turn revealing a new breathtaking vista. It's like a roller coaster ride designed by Mother Nature herself. The Lagara Pass is not just about the road, though. It is a symphony of diverse flora and fauna, a place where pine trees stand tall, their branches whispering tales of the ages, where eagles soar high, tracing patterns against the tapestry of the clear blue sky. And then there are the views. Oh, the views. The Ionian Sea stretches out, a shimmering mirror under the sun's warm gaze. It's a sight that makes you want to stop, breathe, and simply exist in the moment. So whether you're a nature enthusiast, an adrenaline junkie, or just someone who appreciates a good view, this pass has something for you. Lagara Pass, where the mountains meet the sea, a country that surprises at every turn. From the cobblestone streets of Berat and Girocaster's old towns, where history whispers in your ear, to the tranquil beaches of Ksamil, a perfect retreat for those seeking serenity. We ventured into Butrint National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and felt the bustling energy of Tirana, the capital city that never sleeps. We stepped back in time at the ancient city of Apollonia, basked in the sun-kissed beauty of the Albanian Riviera, and scaled the walls of the majestic Rozafa Castle in Shkodër. Our journey took us high into the mountains of the Lagara Pass, offering panoramic views that took our breath away. So pack your bags and set off on your own Albanian adventure. You will not be disappointed. Subscribe. Journey Vape for more videos like this. Stay tuned and stay connected.